Given is n is the set of natural numbers. Consider the following sets. P is set of rational numbers, all positive rational numbers and all negative rational numbers. Q is set of functions from 0, 1 to n. R is set of functions from n to 0, 1, and S is the set of finite subsets of n, where n is natural numbers. Then which of these sets are countable? See, since a set can be finite or it can be infinite. If it is finite, you are sure that it is countable. If it is infinite, there can be again two cases. It can be countably infinite, that is it is countable, and it can be uncountable. In which case it is countable if element of a set can be put in 1 to 1 corresponds to the set of natural numbers, then that infinite set will be countable. That is, if it is correct, then that infinite set will be countable, otherwise it will be uncountable. Now the first set P is given as set of all positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Rational numbers are of the form P by Q such that P and Q belongs to integer and Q, that is denominator, is not equal to 0. See, rational numbers are countably infinite, that is countable. How? Because the set of rational numbers can be enumerated in the form of P plus Q such that there is 1 to 1 correspondence between सेट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स एंड नेचुरल नंबर्स. हाउ? मतलब रेशनल नंबर के सेट को इस तरीके से हम लोग इन्यूमरेट करेंगे p प्लस क्यू के फॉर्म में, ताकि रेशनल नंबर और सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर के बीच में 1 to 1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस इस्टेब्लिश हो जाएगा. और जैसे ही 1 to 1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस इस्टेब्लिश हो जाता है सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर के साथ, वैसे ही वो इनफाइनाइट सेट को काउंटेबल कहा जा सकता है. कैसे? फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर विल बी ऑफ द फॉर्म 1 by 1, सेकेंड विल बी ऑफ द फॉर्म 2 by 1, थर्ड 1 by 2, fourth will be of the form 1 by 3, third will be 2 by 2, again 3 by 1. Logic is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, again 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is again 4. These three are of same category. Now we will enumerate our next rational number 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 4 by 1, 3 by 2, and so on. So many rational number we can enumerate like this. This will be mapped with natural number 1, this will be mapped with natural number 2, this will be mapped with natural number 3, this will be mapped with 4, 5, 6. Hence every rational number will be mapped to some set of natural numbers. These are the set of rational numbers, rational. Hence mapping is possible, therefore rational numbers are countably infinite, hence rational number is countable. Now we will check statement Q. Set of functions from the set 0, 1 to the set of natural numbers. See, suppose that 0, 1, there are two elements. Suppose that 0 is mapped to 1 and 1 is also mapped to 1. Let's make a table. 0 is mapped to 1 and 1 is mapped to 2. Again 0 is mapped to 2 and 1 is mapped to 1. Now again 0 can be mapped to 2 and 1 can be mapped to 3. Now 0 can be mapped to 3, 1 can be mapped to 2. Again 0 can be mapped to 3 and 1 can be mapped to 3, and so on. You can extend the table. Now you will find that this is first mapping, this is second mapping, this is third mapping, ये चौथा मैपिंग है, ये पांचवा मैपिंग है, ये छठा मैपिंग है। इसी तरीके से हम लोग मैपिंग का नंबर्स बढ़ा सकते हैं। नाउ यहाँ से क्लियरली देखा जा सकता है, फर्स्ट मैपिंग विल कॉरस्पॉन्ड टू नेचुरल नंबर 1, दूसरा मैपिंग किसके कॉरस्पॉन्ड हो गया, नेचुरल नंबर 2 के, तीसरा मैपिंग नेचुरल नंबर 3 के, चौथा मैपिंग नेचुरल नंबर 4 के, एंड सो ऑन। मीन्स दैट there is some enumeration technique between function mapping and natural numbers. So हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि function from 0,1 to n is countable according to this concept. See, R is set of all functions from natural number to 0, 1. If you know the formula to count the number of functions, so total number of functions will be 2 की power n, and 2 की power n is uncountable. How? Let me show you the proof is uncountable. See, there is a theorem. Theorem says that if a set S is countably infinite, then 2 की power s will be uncountable. So since we know that set of natural number n is countably infinite, natural number is what? It is countable because there is always a mapping from natural number to natural number itself. So 2 की power n, since natural number n is infinite, countably infinite, so 2 की power n is uncountable according to this theorem. You will read all the theorem regarding countability in TOC, not in set theory. Therefore, till now remember this. So it is uncountable, hence proved. So R is uncountable. In statement S, it says that set of finite subset of n is countable or not. एक थ्योरम है TOC में, every subset of countable set is either finite और countable. अगर किसी countable set का सबसेट हम लोग निकालते हैं तो वो चाहे finite होगा या countable होगा. Since we know that n क्या है, पहले से countable है, countably infinite means n is set of natural numbers is countable, इसलिए उसका कोई भी finite subset हम लोग लेते हैं तो वो countable होगा. Hence S is also countable, Q is also countable, P is also countable. Answer D is